This year, Serena Williams decided to move away from the game of tennis, leaving us in tears. But it looks like the Queen is wasting no time reminiscing the past. Why? Because she is now busy working on her business ventures, and it all seems to be going pretty smoothly, especially because she's already helped raise millions for the startup. Let's talk about how Serena Williams' tech investment in Nigeria is attracting new investors. Starting with the startup investment. The technology startup industry in Nigeria attracts the most VC funding from outside the country. Nigerian IT firms have raised over $2 billion in investment between 2015 and 2022. In terms of money, this is the most any African nation has ever received, and now Serena is a part of it. Africa's startup ecosystem is being led by the big four nations of Nigeria, Egypt, South Africa, and Kenya. About a third of the continent's incubators and accelerators are located there, and 80% of Africa's foreign direct investment, FDI, goes to technology startups. Despite its widespread corruption, high poverty rate, and dismal economic performance, Nigeria has remained Africa's #1 destination for technology investments. This is shown by the news that Serena Williams' VC company, Serena Ventures, has invested $3.3 million in a seed round for Nigerian data and analytics business Stears, with Mac Venture Capital serving as the lead investor. All in all, Serena Ventures has invested $3.3 million in Stears, with Mac Venture Capital, Melo 7 Tech Partners, Omidyar Group and Cascador. Up next, here's why the startup attracted Serena. Investors like Serena might choose Stears for a number of reasons. The company's user base has doubled in size over the last year, and its monthly growth rate since 2017 has been roughly 6.5%. More than 75% of its income is generated by enterprise clients, who are mostly workers of different finance-related organizations throughout Nigeria. This number is up significantly from 45% in 2021. Given the natural hesitation of Nigerians to pay for online content, this is one of the few examples of a successful paywall subscription model in the country. Stears has positioned itself to be a primary source of African data for global organizations, both as a collector and an analyst. European Investment Bank, UNDP, and the UK's Foreign Commonwealth and Development Office are among its customers. During the 2019 Nigerian general election cycle, Stears used its data and analytic talents to construct an interactive visualization in the country's first real-time election tracker. The newly acquired initial capital will be used to grow the company's product line and build a physical presence in Eastern and Southern Africa, according to the company's stated goals. Moving on, some more deets on the investment. So, what we know so far is that Stears, a Nigerian data and analytics startup, revealed that it had secured $3.3 million from Serena Williams' investment firm, Serena Ventures, as part of its seed round. Mac Venture Capital was the lead investor in this round, which also included Melo 7 Tech Partners, the Luminate Fund of the Omidyar Group, Cascador, and the Hoaq Club. The firm has stated its intention to use the funds to improve its data collecting and analytics skills, hire more employees, and expand into East and Southern Africa. After retiring from tennis at the end of the US Open last month, Serena Williams said she would focus on investing. She went on to say, "One of the reasons I invested in Stears is not because of my love and appreciation for Africa, but because Stears has strategically thought of how to increase the investment community on the continent. Looks like the GOAT has thought it through, and she's all up for it. More money should be poured into Africa as a result of improved transparency in the continent's commercial and financial data." She also added that Stears has shown an amazing understanding of the difficulties inherent in addressing this issue for professionals throughout the world. For her, Stears is ideally situated to tap the massive data opportunity on the continent through a combination of technology and data. Let's talk about Stears. For those of you who don't know, Stears is an organization that offers subscription-based financial data and analysis to companies and individuals. Preston Ida, Abdul Rahim, Faluso Ogunlana, and Michael Famirati, who all met while attending the London School of Economics and Imperial College in the UK, formed the company in 2017. The company's founders claim they were inspired to launch their Nigeria-centric insights business after seeing how challenging it was to get data-driven insights throughout Africa. The firm claims that by combining its proprietary datasets with publicly accessible macroeconomic and financial data, as well as its extensive analytical knowledge, its clients can make informed judgments on the economies and markets of Africa. Moving on, let's go over Serena Williams' business ventures. Williams has invested in 45 businesses since 2014. These firms include Clubhouse, Impossible Foods, and Masterclass. And the inaugural fundraising round at Serena Ventures included 22 firms, including ChatDesk, Recipe Marketplace Foodie, and virtual marriage counseling service Ours. Forbes put Williams' net worth at $260 million. And although she has earned $94 million through victories on the court, the remainder has come from company holdings and sponsorships. Here's a peek at some of Williams' other enterprises. First off, Noom. In 2019, Noom, a subscription-based app for monitoring one's food consumption and physical activity, received an investment from Serena Ventures for an unknown amount. A spokesperson did not immediately reply to Fox Business' request for comment. Williams said that her decision to invest in Noom was based on her strong belief that everyone should have equal opportunity to live a healthy lifestyle. People can make substantial, long-lasting behavior changes with the help of Noom's combination of sympathetic human help and cutting-edge technology and research. Noom secured a Series F investment round of around $540 million in 2021, with Silver Lake as the primary investor. Besides Oak HCFT, Temasek, Nova Holdings, Sequoia Capital, RRE, and Samsung Ventures also contributed to the investment. Next up, Tonal. If you too were impressed with Serena's physique, you'd love this next investment she made. In April 2019, Tonal, a smart home gym, earned $45 million from a group of investors led by Serena Ventures for a Series C round of funding. And as if all that money wasn't enough, the 23 times Grand Slam winner decided to take things further. She was introduced as a Tonal brand ambassador in February, when the company debuted its Strength Made Me campaign. Although her training methods are continuously evolving, she has found that strength training is essential to her success, which is why she enjoys using the Tonal so much. It's a novel kind of exercise that pushes her beyond her comfort zone and has resulted in significant gains in her physical prowess. Williams added that, "In the beginning of my career, I didn't embrace strength. I had it, I looked it, I felt it, but I didn't embrace it. Once I did, I realized that there is something so beautiful about being strong, and I'm so proud to be part of this Tonal campaign that celebrates that." Moving on, Impossible Foods. Several high-profile celebrities, including Jay-Z, Serena Williams, and Katy Perry, have made investments in the plant-based food company Impossible Foods to back their vocal support for the company. Reuters reports that the business has raised $300 million from a list of A-list investors. Nearly $750 million has been made by the company that sells Impossible Burgers. You know, the patties that look, taste, and bleed like the real thing, in an ongoing effort to eradicate the need for animal products by the year 2035. Patrick Brown, a professor at Stanford University, decided to switch careers in 2009 while on vacation, and in 2011 he launched the company. Microsoft Corp, MSFT.O. Co-founder Bill Gates is an investor in the firm, along with Google Ventures, UBS Group AG, UBSG.S, Cotu, Khosla Ventures, and Temasek. While Impossible Foods recognizes that its main rival, Beyond Meat, has just gone public, the business has no current intentions of doing the same. Lee was quoted as saying, "We believe in self-reliance," by Reuters. The company's top focus is getting ready to go public, so they'll keep things as rigorous as possible. However, they have no plans to announce an initial public offering, IPO, at this time. We wonder how Serena feels about this. Finally, Isuzu. Isuzu, a financial technology business that provides rent reporting and data solutions for credit creation, received $10 million in Series A fundraising in July 2021, with participation from Serena Ventures. Williams remarked at the time, "We invested in Isuzu's purpose and have a deep confidence in the potential of this sector. Everyone involved, from tenants to property owners, benefits from the tech-enabled approach. Due to our substantial investment in Isuzu, the firm will be able to expand and provide more individuals with access to the financial resources they need to thrive." There are about 2 million Isuzu-enabled residences in the United States, with a total gross lease value of over $2.4 billion. Looks like Serena really went big with this one. Something that we notice in a majority of the startups that she has invested in is that half of them have technology in their core. We love that our GOAT Queen is putting her money into such businesses. Hopefully, we'll get to see some more of her magic both on and off the court. That's a wrap for this video. So, what do you think of Serena's recent investment? Let us know in the comments below. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. See you in the next one.